Namaste. Prepare yourself. Stanga opening mantra. Samastiti. Vande Gurunam Charanarvinde Sandarsita Swatma Sukhavabodhe Nisreyase Jangalikayamane Samsara Halahala Mohashante Abahu Pursakaram Sankichakrasidharinam Sahasra Sirsam Svetam Pranamami Patanjalim Hold on few seconds. Simple standing prayer pose. Ekam inhale, dve exhale, त्रीणि inhale head up, चत्वारि jump back, पंचा inhale, set exhale, one, two, three, four, five. Sapta inhale, jump forward. Asto exhale. Nava inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Ekam inhale. Dve exhale. Trini inhale, head up. Chatwari jump back. Pancha inhale. Set exhale. One, two, three, four, five. Sapta inhale, jump forward. Asto exhale. Nava inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Last one. Ekam inhale. Dve exhale. Trini head up. Chatwari jump back. Pancha inhale. Set exhale. One, two, three, 5. Saptajam inhale. Once again 5 breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasa inhale, jump forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chaturdasa exhale. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha jump inhale. Sodasha exhale. Saptadasha inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Padangusthasana. Ekam inhale, hold your toe, big toe. Doi exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trihini inhale, exhale, hold. Padahastasana. Inhale, ekam. Dvi, exhale. Neck straight, length your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trini inhale, exhale. Samastiti. Stand up, close your feet. Uttita Trikonasana, 3 feet only. Ekam inhale, right leg back. Dvi exhale, hold your right big toe. Hastagra drishti, look your upper hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trihini inhale. Chatwari exhale, left side. Hastagra drishti. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha inhale. B. Dvi exhale, left hand. Cross your right ankle. Look your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trini inhale. Chatwari exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha, inhale. Samasthiti. Uttita Parshakonasana. Ekam, right leg back. Inhale. Dve, exhale. Behind. Look your left palms. 1. Back side leg strong. 2. 3. 4. 5. Trini, inhale. Chatwari, left side, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha, inhale. B. Dve, exhale. Left elbow. Cross your right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trini, inhale. Chatwari, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha, inhale. Samasthiti. Prasarita Paduttanasana A. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Drop your hands. Keep you parallel. Inhale, head up. Trini, exhale, head center. Elbow parallel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari, inhale, head up. Exhale. Pancha, inhale. Relax. B. Ekam, inhale. Hand shoulder level. Come starting position. Dve, exhale. Again inhale. Trini, exhale. Head center. Top your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari, inhale, stand up. Exhale. C. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale, interlock behind. Again inhale. Trini, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari, inhale. Exhale. D. Inhale, ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale, hold your toe. Inhale, head up. त्रीणि exhale, 1 2 3 4 5 चत्वारि inhale up, head up, exhale, पंचा inhale, समस्थिति, पार्श्व उत्तानासना, एकम, hand back prayer pose, reverse, द्वे exhale, touch nose and forehead, if you can touch your chin, 1 2 3 4 5 त्रीणि inhale, left side, चत्वारि exhale, 1 2 3 4 5 पंचा inhale, समस्थिति, पासासना, एकम inhale, raise your hand, द्वे exhale, त्रीणि inhale, head up, चत्वारि jump back, पंचा inhale, set, exhale, पासासना, सप्ता jump, forward, bend your knee, right arms around your knee, twist to the left, grab hand behind your back, 1 2 3 4 5 exhale, sit down center, asto, inhale, left arm around your knee, twist to the right, grab hands behind your back, 1 2 3 4 5 exhale, sit down center, nava, leg lift up, dasa exhale, चत्वारि, एकादश inhale, द्वादश exhale, क्रौञ्च आसना, सप्ता jump, inhale, grab the left foot, look up, exhale, chin to the shin bone, 1 2 3 4 5 Nava, inhale, look up, spine straight, exhale, Dasa, inhale up, Ekadasa Chatwari, Dwadasha, inhale, Trayodasha, exhale, Chaturdasha, left side, toes point, grab the right foot, look up, Panchadasa, exhale, touch your chin, look your toe, 1 2 3 4 5. Shodasha, inhale, look up. Exhale. Saptadasha, inhale up. Astodasha, Chatvari. Eko Nava Vimsati, inhale. Vimsati, exhale. Salvasana, Chatvari, exhale. Feet together, palm beside your hip. Pancha, inhale, lift your head and leg. Look your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Turn your hands palm facing up. B. Sat. Inhale. Look your nose. 1, 2. Lift your head. 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Sapta. Inhale. Asto. Exhale. Veka Asana. Chatvari. Exhale. Lift the feet off the floor. Pancha. Inhale. Grab feet. Turn to the hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Set. Inhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Sapta. Exhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Dhanurasana. Chatvari. Exhale down. Lift the feet toward the floor. Grab your ankle, heel together. Pancha. Inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Set. Inhale up. Sapta. Exhale. Parsva Dhanurasana. Chatvari. Exhale down. Open the chest. Lift the knee into Dhanurasana. Pancha. Inhale. Set. Exhale. Roll into the right side. Parsva Dhanurasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta. Inhale. Roll back into Dhanurasana. Asto. Exhale. Roll into the left side. 1, 2, 3. Urdhva Drishti. 4, 5. Nava. Inhale. Roll back toward the center. Dhanurasana again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Dasa. Inhale. Lift your chest. Ekadasa. Exhale. Ustra Asana. Sapta. Jump. Exhale. Lower down into your knee position. Inhale. Asto. Exhale. Let your arms hang. Grab the heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava. Inhale. Hands on your waist. Come up. exhale. Dasha, inhale up. Ekadasha Chatwari. Dwadasha, inhale. Trayodasha, exhale. Lagu Vajrasana Saptajam. Exhale, lower down into your knee position. Inhale, place hand on your back. Asto, exhale, let your hand side down. Slowly touch your head to ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava, inhale, come up, hand on your waist, exhale. Dasa, lift up, balancing. Ekadasha Chatwari. Dwadasha, inhale. Trayodasha, exhale. Kapothasana A, Saptajam. Exhale. Inhale, place hand on your chest, prayer pose. Asto, exhale, let the hand hang down over the top of the head. Grab your heel. You can take time. Hold down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kapothasana B, Nava, inhale, strengthen the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, release the heel, hold there. Dasha, inhale, come up, hand on your waist, exhale. Ekadasha, lift up. Dwadasha Chatwari. Trayodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Supta Vajrasana Saptajam. Asto, exhale, prepare. Cross your leg in lotus position. Cross your elbow, catch your toe. Here you will need the assistance of another yogi to hold your knee down into the floor. You can take help. Inhale. Nava, exhale. 5 breath, hold down. First time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. Third time. Inhale. Up. Slowly exhale. 4th time. Inhale. Last one more time. Exhale. 5 breathing last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasha, inhale. Exhale. Ekadasha, up. Dvadasa Chatvari, jump back. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Bakasana Sapta. Exhale. Asto, inhale, rise. Place knee on your upper arms close to the armpit. Lift the feet, head up. 1, straight arms. 2, 3, 4, 5, Nava Chatvari. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. B, Saptajam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Asto, inhale up. Nava Chatvari, jump back. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Bharadwajasana, Saptajam. Place your left leg on the floor outside your left hip. Place right foot in lotus position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava up, cross your leg. Dasa Chaturanga. Ekadasha, inhale. Dvadasha, exhale. Triyodasha, jump. Place your right leg on the floor outside. On your right hip, place the left foot, this time lotus position. 1, turn back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, inhale up. Shodasha Chatvari. Saptadasha, inhale. Astadasha, exhale. Ardha Matsyendrasana, Saptajam. Bend your left leg. Asto, place right foot on the floor outside your left knee. 1, 2. Bring left arms over the right knee, turn far to the right. 3, 4, 5. Nava, inhale up, cross your leg. Dasa Chatvari. Ekadasha, inhale. Dvadasha, exhale. Triyodasha, jump forward, straight leg. Chaturdasha, bend your right leg. Bring your right arms over your knee. Turn far to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha up. Shodasha Chatvari. Saptadasha, inhale. Astodasha, exhale. Ekpada Sirsasana, Saptajam, sit down. Take your hand, Asto, exhale, bend forward. Touch your chin. 1, look your toe. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale, sit up again, bring hand together, front of heart. Dasa, inhale up. Ekadasa Chatwari. Dwadasha, inhale. Priyodasha, exhale. Chaturdasha, left side, sit down. Bring left leg over the left arms. Place the foot behind the head up. Inhale. Panchadasha, exhale. Bend forward, take both hands around the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shodasha, inhale, sit up again. Exhale. Saptadasha, inhale up. Astadasha Chatwari, jump back. Ekanam Sadi, inhale. Vimsadahi, exhale. Dvipada Sirsasana, Saptajam, exhale. Bring your both legs behind your arms. Cross ankle. Close your hands like prayer pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B. Asto, inhale up. Hands on the floor. Lift up with your feet behind the head. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, Titivasana. Exhale, Bakasana. Inhale, lift up, balance. Dasa, exhale, Chatwari. Ekadasha, inhale. Dwadasha, exhale. Yoga Nidra Asana, Sapta, jump through, lay down. Asto, prepare, inhale. Lift both legs. Exhale, bring left foot first, then right foot behind the head. Breathe. 1, 2, look your eye center. 3, 4, 5. Nava Chakrasana, roll back, lift up. Exhale, Chaturanga. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Titiv Asana, Saptajam. Straight knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Asto, exhale, Titivasana B. Take back your hand straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C. Now inhale, walk. 5 step forward and backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now please come back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. D. Close your heel, grab your hands backside, straight knee, lift your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, interlock finger well. 5. Dasha, inhale up like Titivasana A. Ekadasha Bakasana position. Inhale, look up. Dwadasha, exhale, Chatwari, jump back. Trayodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Urdhva Dhanurasana. Sapta, jump through. Exhale, lay down flat. Asto, prepare. Bend your knee. Both palms under your shoulder beside your ear, placing your hand. Nava, inhale. Lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasha, inhale, lower top your head, walk by hand. Nava, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasha, exhale down, hand walk in, last one. Nava, inhale, 1, walking your hands in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasha, exhale, lower down. Ekadasha Chakrasana, leg rolling back behind your head. Exhale, Chaturanga. Dwadasha, inhale. Prayodasha, exhale. Paschimottanasana. Sapta, jump through. Leg straight forward. Asto, catch your wrist. Exhale, fold in. Drop your chest, drop your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relaxing your breath. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale, head up. Exhale. Dasha, lift up. Ekadasha, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Dwadasha, inhale. Trayodasha, exhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Salamba Sarvangashana. Sapta, jump through. Exhale, lay down flat. Asto, inhale, lift your leg, shoulder strand. 1, gaze your toe. 2, 3, 4, don't move your leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halasana. Asto, exhale. Lower your leg to point it. 1. Interlock your finger. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, lift your hip, 7, palm together, 8. Karna Pidasana, Asto Axel, bend your knees, cover your ear, closer, hand position same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now Urdhva Padmasana. Lift your leg straight. Hold it into lotus. Resting your knee, palms on your hands. 1. Spine straight, elbow straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pindasana. Now exhale, lower down, knee beside your ear. Catch your wrist or catch your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Matsyasana. Now exhale, down your spine, drop your hip, lift your chest, support your elbow, head back, catch your toe, keep your arms straight. 1, 2, gaze your nose. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uttana Padasana. Now inhale, extend your leg, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale. Dasa Chakrasana. Leg behind your head, rolling back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Ekadasha inhale. Dwadasa exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Sapta, prepare headstand for Sirsasana. Headstand. Asto inhale, lift up your leg. Get your leg to point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Half bend. Now exhale, lower the leg 90 degree toe point. 1, gaze your nose. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your leg one place, don't move. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dasha, inhale, starting position, leg up. Exhale, slowly lower down, sitting on your knee, and hip drop comfortably your heel. Balasana, child pose, hand back. Ekadasha, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Dwadasha, inhale. Paryodasha, exhale. Baddha Padmasana. Sapta, jump through, straight leg forward. Asto, take a lotus pose, Padmasana. Right leg first, wrapping the arms, left leg. Yoga Mudra. Nava, exhale, fold in forward, gaze your nose, drop your head, and possible drop your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Asto, inhale coming up. Extend the arms. Palm place on your knee. Keep your Gyan Mudra position. Chin down, lower belly in. 1, 2, pelvis straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Utputtihi. Nava, inhale, lift up, gaze your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, lower down. Dasa, inhale, lift up. Ekadasa, jump back. Dwadasa, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Triyodasha, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale. Chaturdasha, hell jump. Panchadasha, exhale. Shodasha, inhale. Samastiti. Lay down. Support your elbow. Relax completely. Thank you for your practice. Keep Keep practicing, guys. See you soon with another lesson. Take care. Namaste.